Welcome back everyone, my name is Lee from Oliver's Kitchen. Today we're making avocado chocolate mousse. So avocados are dirt cheap at the moment here in Australia, and I'm sure everyone's happy about that with their avocado and toast. I've got a few avocados in my fridge that need to be used up, so I thought today we'd make some avocado chocolate mousse. The great things about using avocados in it is avocados have a really good healthy fat, and it's really good for you, and also you got the antioxidants for the chocolate as well. So I'm going to show you how to make it, and it's so easy to make. So for the ingredients, you're going to need 2 avocados. I've already cut them open to make sure we don't have any surprises when we do this video. Some chocolate, so I've got a 70% blend chocolate. You could use any dark chocolate that you want to use. Also got a sweetener, so I'm using a sugar-free maple syrup to make this keto. And then also I'm going to add some cacao powder as well, just about a tablespoon just to up that chocolate, and also just a little bit of salt, and that is it. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to cut this chocolate up, and we're going to melt it down, so don't be exact. So now we're going to nuke this in the microwave, and we're going to microwave it at about 30-second intervals, and just make sure the chocolate doesn't burn, but it's completely melted. So here I just have a mini food processor, and to that we're going to add 2 avocados. So I just use my knife, twist, and see it just pops straight out. Now these avocados aren't perfect. They're not brown though, so it won't make a huge difference with the end product. Whoops, slippery little sucker. So I'm choosing the avocados today. I cannot stand these shepherd ones for some reason. I'm just not a fan of them. And to this, we're just going to put just a touch of salt, and that's just to bring out the chocolatiness. Whenever you're using chocolate, add a little tiny bit of salt, and it just elevates the chocolate so much. Then we're going to add a tablespoon of cacao powder, and this will just up that chocolatey flavour. And then I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of sugar-free maple syrup. You could use normal maple syrup. You could just use honey, preferably a liquid sweetener. It just makes it a lot easier to dissolve. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to blend this quickly, get this nice and smooth, and then we're going to add the chocolate to it. So now I've got our melted chocolate here. Let's get all that goodness out. And we're going to blend it until it's fully done. At this time you might need to just thin it out just a little bit, so you can add just a little bit of milk, you can use some almond milk, whatever you want, just a couple of tablespoons. Now unfortunately my little food processor couldn't cope with that, so I've just upgraded to my bigger food processor to do this. We want to try to whip as much areas as we can into it to make it nice and fluffy. So at this time, give it a try, see if it needs any more sweetener or anything like that. Personally, I'm going to put another tablespoon of sweetener in it. Much better. Alright, so now I'm going to put this into little glasses and we're going to put this in the fridge to set. So I have these little glasses that if you can get your little mousses from the supermarket, sometimes they come in these little glasses. They're really cute. I'm going to put them into them. But rather than just trying to spoon it in there and making a mess and everything, I'm going to actually pipe it in. So I've got a piping bag here with a big tip on it. Sorry about that, cats think they can just meow whenever the hell they want. And then all I'm going to do is just and I think we should be able to just get a third one out. And there we go, our avocado chocolate mousse. And you could serve this with some berries or something. I don't have any berries at the moment, but I do have some sugar-free chocolate chips. I think we'll go good with it. Doesn't that look good? Let's try it out. So let's give this a go. Now, my suggestion would be put it into the fridge, let it chill down, but I would probably eat this in the same day just because the avocado will start to oxidize. So you don't want that to happen. So I would probably just try to eat it in the same day. Let's give it a go. The avocado really provides that fat for making a really smooth, delicious chocolate mousse. That really good chocolate, if you use a really good quality chocolate, I think it just makes a huge difference, and that has really made this pretty awesome. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a like if you want to see more. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.